Hello and welcome into this beading technique tutorial where I'm going to teach you flat herringbone stitch. I'll be using my signature teaching style of using large pony beads, a yarn needle, and yarn so you can easily see what I'm doing. To start, we'll create a 2-bead high even count ladder stitch. Pick up 4 beads, then fold the beads over and pass through the first 2 beads and pull so they stack into 2 columns like this. Now thread down through the second column of beads to secure. From here you'll pick up 2 beads, then pass down through the second column of beads and pull through. Then pass up to secure. Now you'll repeat this step until you have your desired number of columns, ensuring that they're multiples of 2. Now we want our thread pointing upward, so simply flip your piece over like this. Next, pick up 2 beads, then pass through the first bead to the left. Then tap the top of the beads so that they sit in place. This creates your first herringbone stitch. Then pass through the first bead to the left, just the top one, then pass through. Next, pick up 2 more beads, then pass down through the next bead to the left and pull through. Repeat this until the end of the row. From here, turn your work. Now to position your needle up through the top bead, you'll pass in between the beads from back to front, then pass up through the 2 beads on the side like this. Now pick up 2 beads and pass through the next bead to the left to start your new row of herringbone stitch. Once you reach the end of the row, flip your work over. Then to position your needle up through the top bead, pass your needle from back to front under the thread bridge between the beads like this. Then pass up through the beads on the side. Repeat this process until you have your desired number of rows. You'll notice that the top row will be split. So now to close off the project, pass down through the top bead on the left. Then pass up through the next bead on the left like this. Then pass down through the previous bead on the right to close the ends together. Weave up, then down through the next herringbone. Then pass up through the next bead on the left. And then back down through the previous bead on the right. and up through the bead on the left to close the ends together. And that's how you do flat herringbone stitch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beading tutorials, tips, and tricks. See you in the next one, and happy beading!